Today I'm going to be making an energy boosting juice. I use carrots, green apples, and beets. All of those natural sugars packed a powerful punch of energy if you're going to be going to the gym, to replace perhaps your coffee in the morning, whatever it is that you need that extra kick, perhaps even later on in the day. All right, it's all cut up. We all know what happens from here. Don't worry, it's not going to get loud, but that's going to be a very energetic juice right there going into that cup. For anyone who knows that beets especially are known for having energy properties, along with all the medicinal properties as well, along with all the vital nutrients and minerals, the earthy flavor packs a punch for you and your health. Good thing about the beets is they're really to grow in your garden. These ones I'm going to be juicing up today aren't from my garden, but I do have some out there right now that are getting ready to be done that I'll be using that I can't wait for, along with carrots as well. I haven't exactly perfected the timely manner of having produce available when I need it, but some is still going to be better than nothing, than being dependent on just store-bought. And usually store-bought's not the best approach, but it's definitely store-bought produce will always beat fast food, junk food, and all the other garbage. So don't be afraid of it. But growing your own food is much more rewarding. All of these juices alone make really good juice. Carrot by itself, delicious. Apples by themselves, delicious. Beets by themselves, not delicious. That's what I have the lemon for, another energy boost, another immune booster, but also helps with the flavor, because the flavor of a beet tastes almost like dirt. There's ways to use beets so that you can still enjoy their flavor without that earthy dirt flavor, but a beet just by itself, raw, probably isn't going to be the go-to for most people. I'm gonna get you. Alright, thanks for watching the video. I got a workout to go do now that I got some nutrients and some energy in me. Cheers to your health, guys. There you go. Looks like blood. What'd you do? You missed a spot right there. Right there. Almost.